Okay, let's talk IPTC keywords. They're how you stop your awesome photos from getting lost online.
You're making killer visuals, right? But are the right people even seeing them?
Getting seen on Google Images or Shutterstock, that's the whole game for creators.
And hey, if you're on Etsy or Shopify, your product shots are literally everything.
So there's this secret weapon for getting seen, and it's hidden right inside your images.
They're called IPTC keywords. Think of them as secret search tags baked right into the photo.
This info literally travels with your image, adding context wherever it goes online.
Now, don't mix this up with EXIF data. That's just camera settings, not what the photo is about.
So, what's the payoff? Images with these keywords get a whopping 2.3 times more views. And for SEO, it's huge. You're 35% more likely to show up in a Google image search. Okay, so for years, the pro tool for this has been something called ExifTool.
It's super powerful, but yeah, you gotta use the command line. Not exactly user-friendly.
Basically, it's tough to learn, there's no visual guide, and it's way too easy to mess up.
So the big question is there an easier way to get these pro results? Yup, tools like Exif Injector let you do it all right in your web browser. You get a simple interface and get this, even AI to suggest keywords for you.
All right, so you're ready to start. What are the best practices for these keywords?
The key is to be specific. Use synonyms, add locations, really think about how people search. So much potential is just sitting there in your images. Now you know how to unlock it.
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With Exif Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. Exif, IPTC, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit ExifInjector.com. Start free today.